I'm gonna love you.
Hello and welcome back. Thank you for joining me, and if you are new here, I greatly appreciate it. I am JTH Reviews. Alright, so today is going to be about the Vladdin RE. I was fortunate enough to receive one as well with some other people, and as per request, I did tell them, I said, I'll try it out and I'm going to give my honest opinion on it. So for this, those of you that go and buy one or purchase one, whatever, on your own decision or whatever, okay, this is how mine came. It come in black box, all that. And so we're going to open it up, do a little bit of unboxing. For the second time, I will admit, I did go ahead and open it up and kind of fill up the pod for just a little bit of juice in order to do it. And so when I received mine, it has this nice wrapping tissue paper, and it's got a nice sticker on there. And I didn't take the time to go through all that trouble and put it all nice and neat like they did, but I will give them props on that it was done neatly. And as soon as I opened up my box, we have the secret 2 flavors. Oh, perfect flavors. I apologize. We got this right here. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's probably what's going to be the thumbnail. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see. Backside, we got the right here. Oh, that's awesome. I'll use that part. Yeah, maybe not. Alright, whatever. Right here we are, the Vladdin RE. Their words, not mine, the best refillable pod system. Now, that's a pretty bold statement. And therefore, okay, whoop, we don't need the box. But right here we are. What you do need is, this is how yours will come. And there, and it's going to tell you all this stuff. Lovely. And on the back, you're going to have your sign, symbols, all that precautionary stuff. Yeah, the glare was kind of making it unreadable. Okay, so you got your device, you got a pod, you got a USB charger, and a guide is down inside the box. Here's everything. Let's see. Yeah, that's right here. Okay. So I did not pay for this one, and that is being stated up front. And in this, I put it's 0 milligram. It's just my juice, so therefore I do not need to have the nicotine sticker, and I'm not doing it right now. That's just, it's not happening. So here we go. Here's the box. Slide it right on out. You're gonna see. Hey, that was this. That was device. The Vladdin. You'll see light is being covered by my finger, and yes, this is so I don't get any fingerprints all over it. And earlier, well, 30 minutes prior to this, I was mixing some of my own juice. That's, hey, that was a pod. Ain't that cool? There is the pod. And I just wanted it to show, show the color and what yours will look like and everything. But it's 0 nic, and just there for color and to show you. As you'll notice, let's go ahead and just get it on out. Don't need that. All right. Now I do like it and the setup. Now I do have my reservations about this, and the reason why is due to that right there. This one does have a ceramic coil. Now As far as I can tell, it is pretty low. It doesn't, get extremely hot and stuff to the point of where concern would be. But that, that's just my opinion. Now, the way they've set theirs up, I'm not entirely sure. But however, I know a lot of people. Well, I stayed away. What was it? Like the RNG or something like that? Wasn't that the one that had the ceramic coil when it came out, and it was a game changer or what have you? Yeah. Well, I stayed away from that just due to the fact that it had the ceramic coil, and we have no real good data to tell other than it's probably bad for you, So, however, I would go ahead and it's safe to say that, like many things, if you don't know about it, don't fool with it. Pretty point blank and period. So, all right, yeah, I showed you that. There's your little charge cable. Device set in there. Pod was up top. Pretty neat. And oh, this I got a glance at it. Now this, I do like this cord. This is like the ones that comes with the Tesla ones. It's if it'll focus, it'd be super awesome if it'll focus. See, you can see a little bit of it. This is one of the like the wire braided outside cover protectiveness. So nothing flimsy. This is a nice one. This is a nice little charging cord. Alright, and over there, device I showed you. Now what I'm going to show you is this right here. This is your card, and right here is going to be, if you want to pause the video and take a look at that, whatever. If I could get it to where it'll focus, that would be even better, wouldn't it? It goes through everything of your steps, what to do, this, that. They're basically, it's just telling you how to fill it up, all that. Let's go over it real quickly. You've got your cap, and then you got the silicone stopper, and then you got your tank. Now, this one, it charges, I think, relatively quick. I do not know the size of the battery. I think it's like 350 mAh battery, so it's on the lower end of them, but however, it seems to do pretty good. I think it runs at about, and also I do believe there is a 1.2 ohm resistance. This is going to be the 1.2 or the 1.5. It is not really specified in this. Nothing on the yeah, I threw that somewhere. Oh well. Anyhow, so what I want to touch on real quick is just a few key features of it and stuff, and that I do like. It is really neat. The design of it is, this is sloped and cut on an angle, and your pod is as well, and so you can't really, you can't mess it up. So that you can see it will not go any farther than that. Now, when you get it right, turn it around, match up all the edges, whoop, right in it goes, and that's how it will look. Yeah, see, it made it tougher earlier when you couldn't tell. So that's why I put some of the 0 milligram juice in there, so it give it a little bit of color, and that way you can see it. So it's pretty neat. And as you can see right there is the light, and it has really good production on the vapor, and it has a magnetic contact deal. Like, okay, like you can get it like that close, and then it'll right on in on its own. And that's pretty good. That way they don't fall out like others have been prone to do. So I give them props on that. I truly do. So that's it's just really good. So let's do this right here. We're gonna pull the pod out, and like I said, it's real easy to match up. You drop it in, it stays in, and if you don't line it up just right, it don't go. It's really simple. Really simple. Put it the right way, line it up, and it's got, sleek looking, and it is a S-shaped device. Yeah, you see there? It's the S-shaped. Now also, that's where you're going to charge at, and light stays on, I think, till it's charged. Once it's charged, light goes off, just like almost all the others. Let's go over the pod really quick, and that's it. That's all I wanted to do. I wanted to give you, a quick look, and yes, I have used this for about a week or so. Not went real, hard in the paint with it. Haven't used it, strenuously or what have you, like day in, day out. The only thing that I've used. No, it is not. But thus far, it has done really well. Flavor on it seems to be pretty good. As far as that all things considered, it is a pod. So you got to take that into fact. A lot of people always ask, they're just like, oh, well, what's the best tasting pod? Which one? Well, they're pods. So the flavors is going to be, restricted, and they are limited. You're only going to get one or two that really just kind of punch through, and that's your standout flavors. So, most of us DIYers, we know that you really have to push them, and you got to go hard in the paint with your flavors if you want that to stand out. But here's the this, and we're just gonna pull it apart there, and as you'll notice, you have a stopper here, you got a stopper there, and you have the air chamber right there. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your little stopper and you're going to kind of wiggle it a little bit, and it comes out. There's that, and there it is. Those two right there and there, that's your fill hole. And I do like the design of it because you can feel on either side, not down the middle, and it allows the escape of the air when you're putting the liquid in, and so you don't have to worry about bubbling over and spillage and anything like that. Fits pretty well. A good sized little hole that'll fit a good portion of things. And same thing with the lid. It goes a certain way. If you do not have it on properly, when you put it back, it'll have the gap. You see that? So then you just turn it, take it, slide it all the way down, and there is no gap, none whatsoever. Take your pod, same thing, put it in, and I can already tell you, there, see? Lines right up. It is very sleek. It is a very stealthy, except for the light. The one thing about it is the light. That's the only con I will give it right thus far, is that light is bright. It is a bright LED. And it is a dead giveaway. So as far as that, I'm not going to give my honest full review and opinion just yet. That'll be up in a couple of days, because like I said, I have tried it for almost a week, so there's that much. And I would like to find out some more information on it, particularly about the coil and stuff, other than it just being a ceramic coil. And that's what I'm going to personally do, and I'll throw another one up here pretty soon, and that way if any of you are debating on whether to buy it or not, that will maybe help you make your decision. So on that, let's you know what time it is. It's time to toot and scoot, folks. So I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, and I piqued your interest, if you would, down below, go ahead and click the bell, and you can subscribe, then click the bell. That'll just let you know, and you might want to keep an eye on it. That goes for everybody that are subscribers of mine, or anyone's rather. YouTube has been just unsubscribing people left and right. That's their choice, but keep an eye on it. So with that note, I thank you for watching. Have a good one. JTH out.